Hi, this is Kamya Johar, first born to my parents and an elder sister to two siblings, an engineer turned digital marketer and an influencer. So, you might have heard of a lot of scams or you might have experienced them as well, but I'll tell you my story, what happened with me today. So, this morning I woke up late and I experienced a call from shopclues.com that I've won a car of 12 lakh 60,000 rupees. It was Tata Safari, and either I can choose the car or the amount will be transferred into my account. So I just hung up the call, and after that I checked my mail. There was no mail regarding that. There was just a text showing कि if you want that car, आप इस number पर message कर सकते हैं. What happened was a few days back, I ordered a book from Shopcluse, and it was my mistake, but I ordered an ebook, but I didn't know that it was an ebook. So I lodged a complaint against them. I called their executives, but no one answered. There was just a WhatsApp message which was automated, and after that, yeah, after a few days, I received a mail regarding it that the book was delivered into my mail, and I didn't know that it was an ebook. I didn't read properly actually, so it was my mistake. But I had their WhatsApp number as well, and there were only automated messages which were generated. So I messaged them on WhatsApp, and it showed that Shopcluse never asked anyone to transfer any account. So don't just आप इन चक्रों के बीच में ना पड़िए कि कोई अवार्ड मिला है और या फिर you are getting any rewards or something like that. So I called the same person again, and I asked him that I called Shopcluse and they never asked for any money or something. So how are you asking me for the money? He said, no, I'm just asking for a small amount. It's just 6,500 rupees. You just, I said, okay. And I just hung up again. And he called me after an hour or so, telling me that you can just contact me on WhatsApp saying hello, and I'll just tell you all my details or something. I said, okay. I messaged him on WhatsApp, and what happened was I asked him for his details. He just sent me his Aadhaar card, his PAN card, and the Shopcluse identity card. And you can trust me, but वो ऐसा लग रहा था कि वो edited है पूरा, और उसके ऊपर it was written Divya Shankar. Yes, his name was Divya Shankar, I guess. Mishara. It was not Mishra, and the person in the DP also, in the display picture also, the person was handing the car keys to someone. So I called my dad and told him that, and he just asked me to block that person, telling me that it's a hoax. And obviously, like, I know, but I wanted to go deep inside the scam. Before that, I transferred all my accounts money, half of my accounts money to my father's account and half to my mom's account, so that I don't get into it. Even like these scams are happening everywhere and with everyone, it can happen with anyone. So what I did after that, I just checked Facebook and I searched that person, and that person was an employee of Snapdeal. So I just wanted to spread awareness about that. It can happen to anyone and everyone. So just make sure you don't get into it, because they offer a huge lot amount of money. अगर वो आपको 6,500, if they like ask you to pay for a 12 lakh car, obviously you will pay. And I even asked them, I didn't participate in any competition or something, why are you giving me this car? So there are like a lot of sites, and I've heard it. I googled that this Shopcluse and Snapdeal are like brothers, and they do these scams, and these scams happen a lot. So just beware of these scams, and just for this huge amount of money, don't just be into it. Don't just believe them.
कामया जो है आपके नाम की जब रजिस्ट्री होगी तो पेमेंट कैसे नहीं बनेगी? कामया जो कंपनी है, कोई दुकान तो साबुन की मैंने खोली नहीं। सॉरी सर, सॉरी। देखो कामया जो है पेमेंट लेने टाइम तो तुम लोग बहुत अच्छे से मतलब कल पेमेंट कर दो, और जब पेमेंट को जब रजिस्ट्रेशन की बारी आती है तो तुम लोग अपना कदम पीछे हटा देते हो। यस सर,
every person has been offered this Tata Safari car. So I went deep into it, and so that after that, yeah, I blocked that person, and he contacted me for 3 more times. Like, who calls you for giving you money? Just think about that. Think about it.